Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how I made this arrangement. First off, I got the vases from Goodwill and I ordered the artificial plants from Aliexpress.com. The only issue with Aliexpress is that it takes weeks for the orders to arrive. Anyways, I ordered these flower bouquets from them because I liked how they looked. The price was very good too. Of course, they arrive flat, and so I try to fluff them out. I heard of this method with spraying them with water and using a blow dryer, so I tried that. I removed all the white flowers, and then I sprayed them down, and I used a blow dryer on them. I started off with the hydrangeas. Well, they're supposed to be hydrangeas. You see, it's really bad. I start by separating the petals or forcing them downward after I've sprayed them a little bit. And then it's a little tricky. And then obviously I added more water there and I'm comparing them so you can see how they look. And then I started using the blow dryer, pointing down, so hitting them from behind the flower. And here I'm comparing them again. You can see how much fluffier it looks now. And I just repeated the process. This is the before and another before and after angle. Much fluffier, right? Okay, so here it is. I put the flowers back on. And then I'm going to be adding the eucalyptus, silver leaf, I think they call it, and the willow. The willow came in a bouquet with I thought it was supposed to be 7 stems, but it was only 5. What I did was I broke off the stems because I wanted to split them up and use them in the bouquets. Here I'm laying out my idea: the silver dollar leaves in the back, followed by the willow leaves, and then the bouquet in the front. As you can see here, the willow leaves were really bad, so I tried to straighten them out as well with the same method. There, they look much better now. And this is what they look like, all fluffed up again. And I'm going to start adding the eucalyptus. And then of course I play with it a little bit until I get a desired look. And there you have it. Don't forget to come back to my channel so you can see how I use this arrangement on my luxury picnic table. Thanks for watching. Bye.